Okay, so now we come to addition and subtraction of matrices. And just to take note that before we add any matrix together, we must make sure that both of the matrices satisfy the same order. So what does it mean by same order? A is a 2 by 2 matrix, and we see that B is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So it means that they have the same order. So they have the same number of rows and also the same number of columns. And if we add two matrices together, it just means that I'm adding the elements in the same position. So my P in A will be added to W, P plus W. Then Q will be added to X, become Q plus X, and so forth. So maybe you'd like to make a guess of what is the matrix A minus B. I'll give you some time to write down the matrix A minus B. Now I will show you the answer. Basically, I'm taking my elements in A, which is P, Q, R, S, and our minus of the elements in B, which is W, X, Y, and Z. So basically the matrix will be like this. And of course, we need to simplify. You need to evaluate each of the elements. Okay, so do practice now to page 149 by yourself, and we will check our answers. Take note that you need to evaluate, and if it's not possible to do so, you need to explain why. So these are the answers for A and B. Of course, we need to simplify any improper fraction. Can we find the matrix R minus S? No. Why not? Because if you look at the order of R and S, R is a 2 by 2 matrix and S is a 2 by 1 matrix. Can we subtract matrices of different orders? No, you can't. So basically, it's not possible. In order for us to subtract or add matrices, you must make sure that they have the same order. And we need to write some explanations to explain our answer. We will explain that R is a 2 by 2 matrix, while S is a 2 by 1 matrix, and hence both matrices have different orders, which means that it's not possible to find the answer. Okay, so we come to question 2 on page 149, which is more of an application question. Matrix P shows the results of Arju, Yihao, and Albert in their math and science test for test 1. So this is their first test results. And there's a second test for math and science where Raju scored 46 and 42 for math and science. Yihao scored 40 and 38 for math and science. And Albert scored 31 and 35 for math and science. So if you were to write down matrix Q, it will look like this with the same order of P, 2 by 3 matrix. So now we find the matrix P plus Q. So I'm listed down matrix P and matrix Q. And take note that if we add a 2 by 3 matrix to another 2 by 3 matrix, then the final answer should also be a 2 by 3 matrix. So let's write down what the final matrix is. Okay, this is the final answer of P plus Q. And lastly, explain what the numbers in the matrix represent. So if we look at the context of the question, we have test 1 results and also test 2 results. If I add both test marks together, it will just give me the total score. So answer is just that it will give me the total score for each student for each subject, math and science. And done.